It's the day after the tornado, and we're staying at Bobby's house here on Churchill Street. Totally forgot yesterday that I had this in my car. Just wanted to show the leaves that were plastered on the side of the car from the wind forces. And then, unfortunately, Fancy's got a little boo-boo here in her tail end that is going to have to be taken care of. This is just to document the dent. It's kind of hard to see because the reflection, but there is a definite dent along this crease. It goes from the trunk lid body panel there. Probably a maybe 2x4 or something, or a limb that smacked down on there. And if you go around to the back, the hurricane or the tornado actually came from the rear of where my car was. And you can see the leaves just plastered on the side. We're trying to get word whether or not we can actually go over to the building and check things out, maybe get a few more things. It was a little dark when I was trying to pack, so I also want to take some coolers over there and get some other food that we missed. The word is right now that we're not able to get over there. Let's show that dent one more time.
What I see right now, broken up. You know what I mean?
Yes, I see trees broken. We're already starting to work on the roof. It's good.
I'm trying to count how many hurricanes I've been in. I don't think I've ever seen this fast.
Some of the rain gutters down. Well, most all the rain gutters are down. This is going into the courtyard area. The place next to mine got a pretty good amount of damage. You can see there. There's a lot of debris and stuff in here. Mud splattering. Kate and Craig's place. It's a big piece of the roof right there. Part of the roof went right through that window up there. And then we got some glass shattering. That looks like, it's not Kyle's unit, I don't know whose unit that is. This is what's crazy right here. This just got totally mangled right here. By something. Something flew right through there. That board, maybe. Just totally ripped that ironwork right off. There's tons, most of it's roofing. But then we moved to Unit 112. Everything is where it was. Even the chandelier glass is still intact. The recyclables didn't even move. I think Tommy Shaw Sr. was looking after the place. There's part of this is part of the tower right there, the edge of the tower. Yeah, the tower window blew out up at the top. And they've got some boards just kind of hanging out up there. This side of the courtyard just got wind for the most part. Not so bad, not so bad. I'm guessing Pam's clear story windows were the ones that blew out because her windows are fine. A lot of the rain gutters off the top there. And the major damage to the roof is on this end of the building. Rain gutters down. Hey Tommy, you want to go through this way to the front? Morning. We're moving into the front of the building where most of the destruction was. The majority of it, I would say. Looks like cable wires. That's the security camera. Got ripped right off. There's the playground. The trees and the big trees over in the dog park area. Looks like are down. And this is what's crazy. It's all those big oak trees just snapped. Looks like we got a few left. This is just all roofing material. One of the big trees there. gonna look different here. It really, really is. At least they won't have to totally take that tree down and it can come back out. But it was a big one. Oh, those are the two new chairs that Joyce and I bought. It's amazing that smokestack did not fall down. Bird bath. Top of that tree is gone. Most of it right there. Look here, this is basically the path that it took. Damaged car. Look, hit this one.
I guess it's the back side.
How's it going, man? Good. Yeah.